Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Etsy to a custom domain. So connecting your Etsy shop to a custom domain essentially means you want people to visit your own website URL like www.mystore.com for example and land on your Etsy shop. Etsy doesn't allow hosting your shop directly on your domain, but you can point your domain to your Etsy shop using the domain forwarding or a website builder. So actually guys, to do that you will need at first to buy a domain, and you can use any register on the GoDaddy, Namecheap or Google domain. So this is the Namecheap for example. And then to set up domain forwarding, you will need to log into your domain registrar, for example, to Namecheap, and then just look for domain forwarding option or redirection settings. Then just enter your Etsy shop URL and choose permanent redirect, the 301 code if available. Then just click on save changes, and it may take a few minutes to a few hours for the domain to point to Etsy. And after then, anyone who visits your domain will go directly to your Etsy shop. The second option is to use a website builder with a custom domain. So you can go with Shopify, okay, and just sign in with your account. And here, if you want a landing page with your branding before Etsy, so just create a website. As I told you, you can use Shopify, and then just connect your custom domain to the website builder and add an Etsy link or buy now button link. So you can link your Etsy shop URL, and you can even embed Etsy listing using the Etsy mini shop widget. Then just publish your site. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.